Hello, mathematicians! Today, we're going to learn the 3, 4, 5, and 10 times tables fast and easy by using groups and patterns. Are you ready? Let's start with 3 times 2. 3 groups of 2. Count by 2s with me. 2, 4, 6. So 3 2s are 6. Now 3 times 10. 3 groups of 10. Count by 10s. 10, 20, 30. 3 10s are 30. See the pattern? Next, 4 times 2. 4 groups of 2. Count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 2s are 8. Now 5 times 2. 5 groups of 2. Count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 2s are 10. And 10 times 4, 10 groups of 4. Count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10 4s are 40. As mathematicians, notice the patterns. Skip counting helps you multiply faster and also shows the related division facts. For example, if 3 2s are 6, then 6 divided by 2 is 3. Keep practicing these groups and patterns, and soon you'll know your 3, 4, 5, and 10 times tables perfectly. If you enjoyed this, mathematicians, hit the like button and subscribe for more fun ways to learn multiplication.